Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is video what I'm going to create with you today. Okay, let's take a look at this video. We're gonna make this nice transition from phone to tablet. Okay, let's open Illustrator. Today we will use Illustrator to create nice illustrations for Touch. Okay, let's name Touch Transition. Resolution 1920 by 1080. Okay, let's select the rectangle tool to create rectangle. Change the color from white to orange. Drag it into center. Let's hold Command C and Command F to duplicate the same place as this rectangle. Make it more smaller. Use the line tool again. Just drag. Okay, very nice. Change the color of the screen. That will be the screen of phone. White. Make the edges of this phone rounded. Okay, select this screen and box, and we don't need the stroke here. Now let's take a rectangle ellipse tool, press shift to draw perfect circle. Change the color to white. Make it in center. Okay, very nice. Let's call this layer name phone. Now let's create new layer. Press here and let's double click. Named laptop. Hide this layer. Let's select rectangle tool again. Let's make the same color as phone. Okay, perfect. Drag it also in center. Okay, select direct tool, hold shift and make round edges. Okay, now we need to create the screen for this laptop. Use rectangle tool. Change the color to white. And let's drag it into center. Now we need to create another rectangle tool. So make the same color and drag into center. Now what we need to do, select direct selection tool, hold shift, select these two corners and make it rounded edges. Okay, very nice. Now we have two layers for phone and laptop. Okay, let's save this file, Touch Transitions. Now let's jump into After Effects, create new composition. 1920 by 1080, frame rate 29 per second, duration 10 seconds is enough. Okay, now we need to create a new solid. Background color white. make comp size, resolution. Okay, now we need to import these Illustrator files. I save it here as composition, return layer sizes, open these text transitions, Command C to control and drag here. Okay, very nice. Now what we need to do, select this two layer and right click and create shapes from vector layer. We can to delete these Illustrator files. Now what we need to do is create line. Select pen tool, hold shift for straight line and make this nice line. Make it 10 pixel. We can to change also this color of stroke. That's so nice. We don't need a fill. And what we need to do now, select this add vertex tool and add 1 point here for this line. Then use convert vertex tool, press here. Okay. Now what we need to do is go after 1 second, press P on keyboard for phone outlines and start stopwatch. Then go back and drag this phone bottom. Now let's play what we have. Okay, we need to add also rotation tool. Press U to see all keyframes. Let's select these keyframes and hold F9 for easy ease. Let's select these keyframes, right click, keyframe interpolation, Bezier, make it linear. Okay, let's press again F9. As you can see, it is not perfect. We need to change the linear. Okay. Now we need to make it more realistic. Press K, go into graph editor and drag this point to left. also this point to right, and now our animation is more realistic. Let's make the same for rotation. Sorry, Command Z. Now we can see that this is more realistic animation. Now what we need to do is to make transition from this phone to laptop. Okay, let's make a nice transition. Go into phone, content. There is different groups. We don't need this group. Toggle down, pause, select to turn on the stopwatch here. Go to next keyframe, and now what we need to do is find laptop, outline path, toggle down, pause, turn on keyframe, and Command C to copy this keyframe here. Then go here to phones, pause, and Command V. Now as you can see, this phone pass converting to laptop pass. It is a very good tool for After Effects. Okay, we need to drag this pass at the place of laptop. Okay, very nice. Now we need to make the same animation for this screen. Go into phone, group 2. This is a screen. Make the same. Go back. Turn on the stopwatch. Now we need to find the screen of laptop. This is a screen. You need to copy this path, Command C. Now let's go into phone screen and paste. Now we need to drag this screen into the right place. Now let's check the animation. Now we don't need this circle here, and we need to hide it, go into phone outlines, and let's check group 1. Go into transform group 1, and there we have opacity. Turn on the keyframe here and then make it 0%. Let's go into phone outlines, press U for all keyframes, and let's select these keyframes and hold F9 for easy ease. Now what we have remained to animate is this part of this laptop. Now we need to go into groups, and there is it. We need to delete these enlarged groups, make it center, and what we need to do, select keyframes, press P and scale, hold U now, and we have 2 keyframes, position and scale. Now let's drag this timeline tool here and make the scale smaller and go it Now you can see that we have a nice animation here. Now we need to compose, press Command Shift C to pre-compose, and name this transition. Let's drag this line here. And there we have some mistake. We have to Alt drag back it to cut this layer here. Okay, very nice. Now we need to animate this line. Go into path of this line, select this keyframe, go maybe 10 frame, Command Z. You need to select only this part here, and now let's drag this point to up, then drag to down, then drag to up again, then drag to down. Now let's select our keyframe and press F9, and we have nice animation here. Let's drag it again to up, select only this part, press Alt to make it more small. And now we need to make it bigger. Press C for scale. Let's drag the shape here. And now there is one thing, we don't need to appear this from this area. And now what we can to do, we have to duplicate this shape layer, Command D, make the fill here. Now let's see animation. And now we need also to create shape this mask here. We have nice rectangle and it will be also the mask for this phone. We need to create shape layer 2 and shape layer 3 to pre-compose them. Okay. Then make alpha inverted mate. Now go into this pre-compose, Alt break it. Now let's check it. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, we end this tutorial and good luck.